Welcome to the How To Studio. If you're using Google Sheets and your entire menu bar is missing, in this video, I will show you how to restore your menu in Google Sheets. So right now, we are on the full screen of our Google Sheets and we need to exit full screen mode. We can't see the menu bar. We can't see how to edit the Google Sheet, how to insert options, the file menu's missing. We're gonna fix that. And there's two ways how to fix that, and we're gonna use our keyboard shortcut to do it. The first way we can do it is on your keyboard, you're gonna press Control plus Shift plus F, and you're gonna press all of this at the same time, Control Shift and F. Now we can see our menu is back, but not all of it is back. File, edit, view, and so forth, that is still missing. And it's quite simple and easy to get the entire thing back. All you have to do is click on this arrow, and now you can see your file menu, edit, view, insert, and so forth. Now you can see your menu again. That's one way how to do it. If we want to restore our menu in Google Sheets. The other thing that we can do is press escape on our keyboard. So once you press escape, you'll be able to see your entire menu again. Now you can see that your menu is back. So those are the two ways how you can restore back your menu in Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment to let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. Also subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.